This is the Nubia Red Magic 3S, one of the most powerful and unique looking gaming phones you can get, but it offers much more than that. It not only has flagship grade internals, but the phone also sports an all-metal build, internal cooling fan, and a lot more for the price of just about $480. Let's take a look at all the pros and cons of this device so you can make the buying decision yourself. The phone ships with a fast charger and a cable, no extras included. I absolutely love the design of the Red Magic 3S for a couple of reasons. First of all, it does not follow a traditional trend of metal and glass sandwich construction, which honestly has become really boring to me. Instead, the phone is made entirely out of metal and we have a nice gaming theme going on the back of the device. The build quality is excellent too, and the phone feels very premium and expensive. RGB lighting makes the phone stand out from the crowd. You see those pogo pins? They are compatible with Nubia Magic adapter, which allows you to add Ethernet and USB Type-C ports and a headphone jack, so you can rest the phone on the table for even better gaming experience. Just don't worry, the phone itself has USB Type-C port and a headphone jack, which provides great sound quality. You see this tiny slider, swish it up and you'll enter a gaming mode, or what Nubia calls the gaming space. I mean, this is a true gaming mode when the internal fan starts spinning, RGB light strip lights up, and the performance of the phone is automatically boosted. The Red Magic 3S has active cooling, which combines liquid-filled heat pipe, internal turbo fan, and enhanced air vents. You can literally feel the air coming out of the device, which helps dissipate the heat. Just listen to this. Nubia promises up to 16 degrees Celsius lower CPU core temperature and other advantages. Combine all of this with the most powerful Snapdragon chipset and a massive tack-sharp and vibrant 90Hz AMOLED display, and you're looking at the monster gaming phone. The display is great not only for gaming but also for watching videos, and while you are navigating through the UI, you can definitely see that 90Hz refresh ratio. The Red Magic 3S also has a built-in capacitive triggers, which act as the game controller. Basically, you can edit them the way you want, and I found the triggers to be really useful while playing the PUBG. The result of all these features, one of the best gaming experiences you can get on a mobile device. All the games I've played are buttery smooth and loading times are super fast. No matter what kind of games you're going to play, this phone will just fly. I played 4 hours non-stop, and my favorite titles included Asphalt Extreme, Asphalt 9, Real Racing 3, PUBG, Shadow Fight 3, and my favorite NBA 2K20. I hope Lakers are going to win it all this year. Some phones start lagging once they heat up, but the Red Magic's internal fan and air vent do a great job dissipating the heat, meaning that it's not just a marketing gimmick. Honestly, it feels that you have a little gaming console in your hands. The dedicated game space also allows you to manually control the internal fan or turn it off, turn on 4D shock effect, customize the capacitive controls, and so on. Gaming experience is enhanced by great sounding stereo loudspeaker system. The speakers produce balanced sound and the volume output is really good. Just hear all those gamer world sounds. RGB lighting is a huge part of the gaming experience. Why? Because it looks awesome. The RGB strip lights up automatically once you flip the gaming space switch, which is cool, but more importantly, the lights can be used for other stuff too. Notifications, charging indication, booting up, incoming calls, and the lights even sync to the music you are playing. Further, you can customize the lighting in a variety of ways. A Red Magic symbol light also looks nice. Obviously, you can turn all the lights off if you don't like them or you find them gimmicky, but why would you? Just unleash your inner RGB nerd and enjoy colorful life. There is another tiny LED light on the front, in case there are not enough lights for you. The device also has an enhanced vibration engine, which basically means that the phone will vibrate when you are gaming for a more immersive experience. Oh, and benchmarks, the Red Magic 3S is pretty much killing it. You can secure all of your data by using a fingerprint scanner, which works really well, and I found the face unlock feature to be fast and reliable too. A flaw about the device: there is no micro SD card slot for storage expansion. Android 9 is at the core of this device, and you get a pretty much stock Android experience. That means that there is no bloatware, no unnecessary apps, just a few added features by Nubia. For example, there is a built-in screen recorder, picture-in-picture mode, and so on. Most importantly, the phone is buttery smooth and responsive thanks to great optimization and that 90Hz display. The Red Magic 3S only has one camera, but it's capable of taking some nice looking shots, even though some of them are a little bit overexposed. A 48 megapixels mode takes great quality pictures in terms of detail and sharpness. Low light image quality is quite decent, and there is a dedicated night mode which makes the photos look brighter at the expense of the noise levels. Selfie camera is able to capture nice and sharp images, and the beauty mode does its job very well. The phone can shoot really sharp and detailed 4K video in both 30 and 60 FPS. However, the footage is quite shaky, so I suggest you getting a gimbal. I made quite a few gimbal reviews over time, and I will leave the links to some of them down below. Also, please subscribe to the channel if you like what I'm doing. Your support means a lot. There is also an 8K video capture mode, which is still in beta. For now, the quality is not great, and I hope to see the final version of this mode with the future software updates. 1080p selfie video looks nice and sharp, and the sound recording quality is pretty good. A 5000 mAh battery performs really well. Obviously, screen on time varies depending on your usage habits, but if you use the phone just for the basic stuff, you can get up to 16 hours of SOT, which is quite an impressive result. Obviously, the battery won't last that long if you're going to play games, but you should still expect great endurance. The supplied fast charger fully charges the phone in just about 2 hours. As for connectivity, the phone has been great in all departments, and there are plenty of sensors on board too. Overall, the Nubia Red Magic 3S is a very exciting and unique phone. Well, I wish it had more than just one camera, 4K video could be more stable, there could be a micro SD card slot, but I think it's just nitpicking about the phone, and here's why. For the price of just about $470, you are getting a super powerful and unique looking phone that is designed for hardcore gamers, but it is also really fast and responsive on the daily basis. The cameras are capable of taking nice images, the battery life is solid, a 90Hz display is smooth and beautiful to look at, and honestly, I think that Nubia made a pretty amazing phone for the price. You're not only getting the device that can handle anything you throw at it, but the Red Magic 3S also stands out from the crowd thanks to its unique design and advanced cooling system. I know I sound really excited about this phone because I am. This Nubia phone is really exciting, and I can definitely recommend you to check it out, especially considering how much it offers for the price. Do you agree with me or not? Tell me in the comment section down below. Also, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, follow me on social media, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.